Hey guys, it is Julie here with TipRanks, and today I want to show you a brand new tool to the TipRanks website that you won't find anywhere else. Now with the TipRanks platform, you can see all of the risk factors associated with any stock. These risk factors are according to the company's own filings with the SEC, as publicly traded companies are required to disclose any risks that could affect their business and impact their stock. These risk factors allow you to consider some of the challenges that a company could possibly face and just help you analyze some of the worst case scenarios so you can make the best informed investment decision. So let's take a look at this risk factor tool. So let's take a look at the risk factors for pharmaceutical company Horizon Therapeutics. So we're going to put in the ticker HCNP, and the tab is over here on the left. So when you click on the Risk Factors tab, the first thing you see is an overview of all of the risks that the company most recently reported. So the company reported 71 risks in Q1, and you can see how these risks are distributed according to 6 different categories, which TipRanks has identified. Now you can click on any of these categories for more information. So if you're looking at the breakdown, their main risk category is finance and corporate, with 23 risks reported here. 71 disclosed risks is an increase of 6 risks from the previous report, and the average number of risks a company listed on the S&P 500 has is 31. You can see that 6 new risks were added, none were removed, and 2 were changed when compared to the previous report. There were 2 less changes in this report than the previous one. Now, scrolling down a bit, we can see the risk changes over time. You can adjust the year and quarter that you're looking at here along the graph and compare the stocks to the sector or to the S&P 500 average as well. You can scroll over the chart for a breakdown of the total number of risks added, removed, or changed. Next, you can see the actual texts that have been added, removed, or changed as reported to the SEC. So let's look at some of the risks that were changed. You can actually look at the old or new text, and the text changes where you see green here or red if it's been removed. Let's find an example here where they've changed that wording. The sector benchmark shows you how the stock you're researching compares with other companies in the same sector. Red indicates that the stock has more risks in that category, and green indicates that it has less. You can hover over the category for a breakdown and an explanation about that category. On the right, we have the risk word cloud. So that will show you the most common phrases about risk factors from the most recent report. The larger the font indicates more widely used phrases. If you want more details about the disclosed risks, you can find them down here in the risk factor full breakdown. So you can click on any of the categories, for example, ability to sell, and read the text about the risk extracted from the most recent report. So a lot of detail in here. So that is it, guys. A ton of information available to you with this new risk factor tool, helping you make the most informed decision with your investments. Now it's your turn. Give the risk factor tool a try and let me know how you find it in the comments down below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and we'll see you back here next time.